In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Vimeo to your device. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to successfully save any video that you have access to. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and visit Vimeo.com. Once there, go ahead and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to register. But if you're already a member, simply use your login credentials. Logging in not only ensures you have access to your preferred content, but also keeps track of your video preferences and recommendations. Now that you've signed in, the next step is to navigate to the video page that you wish to download. If you have a specific video in mind, you can use the search bar to locate it, or simply browse through your feed to find the one you want. Once you've located the video, click to open its page. With the video page open, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see three vertical dots, often referred to as the File Actions button, which is located right next to the Share button. Click these dots to reveal additional actions. From the drop-down menu, you'll see the Download option. Press this button to initiate the downloading process. A modal window will soon appear, displaying a selection of different file sizes and quality options for the video. These could range from SD 360p, HD 720p, HD 1080p, or even the original file quality if it's available. Carefully select the download icon next to the version you wish to save. It's a good idea to consider the storage capacity of your device and the quality you desire before making your choice. Higher quality files will take up more space but offer better resolution playback. After you've selected your preferred version, your browser will prompt you to save the video to your device. If everything goes smoothly, the video will begin downloading. On some occasions, the video may open in a new tab instead of downloading directly. Don't worry, there's a simple workaround for this. For Windows users, right-click the link and select Save As or Save Target As to proceed with saving it to your device. If you're using a Mac, hold down the Control key while clicking the link. Then choose either Save Link As or Download Linked File to complete the download process. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a Vimeo video onto your device. It's important to ensure you're respecting copyright and terms of service while downloading videos. Please make sure you have the necessary permissions before proceeding with such downloads. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this one.